guys, it's Neona Nicole and I am back with another video. As you can tell by the title, I am cutting my hair.
I'm kind of nervous because this is kind of like a whole different other look.
So guys, right here I'm just fluffing my hair to kind of shape it so when it dries it can fall like that.
So if we do it right, guys, it possibly
kind of see where I need to cut my hair. You can see where it thins out. This is the length of my hair now. So we're going to start with sectioning your hair into 4 sections. And right here, guys, I was kind of debating if I should cut my hair because it's a big step. So I had to kind of hype myself up and think about it. So we're just following through with sectioning off our hair. You just want to pin away any sections that you're not working on. And you want to split that first section into another section. And then you're going to split that section into another section and possibly another section to fully get all of your ends and making sure you're not clipping too much of your hair. You always want to use a detangler while detangling your hair. And make sure you're using a red tail comb to actually see where you're going to cut. That could be your measuring tool. And as you can see, I have rough ends right here, so you just want to clip all of that away. Right here, I did not clip my hair. I actually went into a smaller section, and you will see that in the next clip because I kind of wimped out and I had to turn on some music. So right here, we're just getting a smaller section and cutting your hair. I actually cut too much on this little section, but it's in the back of my head, so no one can really see. But that is clipping all of my ends, and I slowly moved up. But as you can see, I was shook because I cut too much of my hair. Don't be like me. Don't cut too much. That was a lot, actually. So we're just moving on to the next section, and we just use our red tail comb to get to those ends, those rinky-dink ends, those well overdue ends. Like, goodbye. Yes. So y'all, I kind of messed up the video just a tad bit by doing a time lapse, so that is why the video looks like that. But yeah, so the back of my head is even. I just clipped all around my hair, and I'm gonna move to the front section. The last piece is when I took it off time lapse. So sorry guys for that. Y'all probably wanted to see that, but it actually doesn't matter because that's actually not all that I'm doing to my hair. I kind of want it to be layered, so that's what I'm going for. And right here, we're just arching it from the eyebrow up into like a little small circle. And we're just doing a rubber band method. So you just want to tie away that piece at the top of your hair. You want to make it tight, super tight. And you just want to get your detangler and detangle that section. You then want to get another rubber band for the end so you can know where exactly you want to cut it. Oh, that actually looks good, but I want the bangs even shorter. So we're taking another section and doing the same exact thing.
That's short. That's super short. So we're gonna take all of it down to see what we got myself into. Oh, babe. Oh.
Now my hair feels so good at the ends now that it's not all choppy and knotted. So I feel great about that. Even though it's not a professional cut, it didn't turn out terrible.
Some volume. So guys, this is how it turned out. How do y'all like it? I like it so much. I feel so free, y'all. Like, curly hair is like the best hair. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Do it now. Right now. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure you like and comment suggestions. I like it, me personally. Like, my curls are so hydrated. They feel so good. I feel so good about this, y'all. Like, y'all don't even know. Let's see. I just feel like, hold on, look at my glasses. Hold on. Look at my glasses. Thanks guys for watching throughout the whole entire video. If you liked the video, make sure you hit a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys. Until next time.